Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So hello Fwenships, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be announcing something exciting to all of you. Ready na ba kayo? So, in today's video, I will be hosting another giveaway! Yay! I am so excited, you guys. You just don't have any idea how excited I am. I've been planning this giveaway for a very long time. But since my channel got hacked, so I wasn't able to. Originally, I wanted to post this video on the December 1st. So that I will be announcing the giveaway on the 25th of December, which is Christmas Day. But yun nga, since that my channel got hacked, I wasn't able to and I got so busy too. So, ngayon lang tayo magpo-post ng giveaway. So, I hope you are all excited. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. So, without further ado, then let's get started! So, mga Fwenships, welcome back again. So, like I've said, I'm really excited to host another giveaway, guys. And since my channel got hacked, and I was so relieved and happy that I got my channel back, so it is just timing that I will be giving another giveaway because I am so happy that I got my channel back. And since it's also Christmas, it is just timely to give a giveaway to all of you, a sign of my thank you to all of you for all those people that have been supporting me, always been there, always supporting me, my channel. I thank you so much, mga Fwenships. Thank you so much for not leaving me. Yeah, you are all still here. And for the new subscribers or the new people that are watching my video, please subscribe to this channel so that you will be part of this family. So I went to Pick Camera and Genki to get some prices, guys. Pasensya na eto muna yung ating price, but I hope that you will like the price that you will get, and I guess you will already have an idea because I will be posting the prices on my thumbnail. Yeah, that will already give you an idea what will be the giveaway. So ayun, I'm so excited. I don't know. I cannot talk na. So I think I'll be talking in English in this video because this giveaway is open internationally for my subscriber there in the Philippines. You are all welcome to join. My subscriber from another country, you are welcome to join. Here in Japan, everybody is welcome to join. So that is so exciting. So let's get started. So for those who always watch my video, you already know that I love doing hair as much as I love doing makeup. So today I will be giving away my all-time favorite hair tool, which is a flat iron from ding 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 drum roll. Excited na ba kayo? Are you all excited? Okay. Ding 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 ding. So, focus, man. I will be giving away one of this flat iron from Salonia. Oh my god, it's not focusing, guys. Why? Yan, from Salonia. And guess what? It is in the color nude pink. It is so dang pretty, diba? This is the 35mm flat iron. I also have this one in black. And I will be giving to you the one in pink kasi cute and girly siya, diba? And this is the one that I use in curling my hair today, diba? Bongga. Maganda siya kasi this one, yung 35mm, this is the kind of wave that you could make on this. Yung isa yung medyo anong tawag niyan? Medyo manipis nito. I forgot how many millimeter was that one, but it is a little skinnier than this one. It makes much smaller waves. But on this one, ito yung result niya, diba? Bongga. And whenever I use my flat iron, this particular flat iron from Salonia, it cuts the time really in, I don't know, half. If I'm going to compare it with another flat iron, ang bilis talaga niya mag-straighten, mag-curl na yung hair. So whenever I'm in a hurry, I always use this one from Salonia. This is my all-time favorite. This is a professional hair styling tool, you guys. Yeah, and I'm so excited. Yeah, this one. Okay, focus. I don't know if it's focusing. It's not focusing. Ganito na lang yung gawin natin. Actually, I just wanted to give this one, but I feel like parang kulang. So I decided to buy another one, which is another favorite beauty tool of mine, which is this one from Can Make. It is their Wide Fit Curler, eyelash curler. This is my all-time favorite, guys. If you have hard to curl eyelashes, this is the ultimate. And this is very affordable compared to Shue, Mura, and Shiseido, because I also have the Shiseido one. I also have the Shiseido maquillage one, which is twice the price of this one, and that was a good one as well. But this one is very affordable and performs very well. And the next one is this one, my all-time favorite. Bakit ayaw mag-focus eh? All-time favorite na mascara from Heroin Make, which is their long curl mascara from Heroin Make. I am so excited, diba? Yay! And then the next giveaway would be this one, a lipstick from Zizan. And yeah, from Zizan. It's number 406 red. Basta, there are a lot of different types of shades of red available, but definitely this one, ano siya, more on the cooler undertone na red. And definitely, you will love this color, guys. Ayan, yung mga giveaway natin. So all in all, you will get the amazing Salonia limited color edition 35mm hair straightener. And then you will also get the Can Make eyelash curler. You'll also get the Heron Make long curl mascara. And then, last but not the least, this is a lipstick. Ayan, I'm so excited for the winner. I cannot wait to announce the winner. So now the question here is, how can you join the giveaway? So the mechanics is very simple, guys. Very simple. And the first and the most important one is that you need to be subscribed to my channel. Yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel, because this giveaway is for my lovely subscribers, for all of you who always keep on supporting me. And but if you are new to this channel, you are also welcome to join the giveaway. Just subscribe to my channel, guys. If you are not yet subscribed, yeah, you can join. And the next most important mechanics on the giveaway is that you need to participate on every videos that I post. For example, I need to know that you keep on watching my videos. You keep on, yeah, because there are a lot of people who only subscribe to my channel because they wanted to enter the giveaway, but they don't watch your video. So in order for me to know that you are watching my video, because there are a lot of people who always watch my video, and I wanted to give the prize to the people that who always supports me, who always watch my videos, because it would be unfair if I give the prize to the person that is not watching my videos, right? So they subscribe but they are not watching my video. So in order for me to know that you are always supporting me, you are always watching me, you need to comment on my video. Yeah, you need to comment in each video that I will be posting up until the announcement of the giveaway. From there, if I always see you commenting on my videos, on each videos that I will be posting, From there, I will be picking up the people that I will be drawing for the giveaway. So yeah, I hope that is clear. And the next one is that you need to like my Facebook page, which will be listed in the description box, and also follow me on Instagram. It's very simple. And yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to repeat it again, but the most important thing is this, is the 1 and 2. You need to subscribe. You need to always watch my video, comment on my video, because I will be getting all the names to the people that could enter the giveaway. So you need to be active on every video. Make sure that you will not forget to comment so that I could see you participating. So yeah, that's very simple. So I decided to run this giveaway for like 3 weeks. So I will be posting this on December 23. Yeah, December 23, and we will be running this giveaway for 3 weeks. So I will be 3 weeks. I decided 3 weeks so that there will a lot of people could participate or can join, diba? Since it's Christmas, it's New Year, and I wanted a lot of people to have a chance to join the giveaway to win the prize. So it will be a 3-week anong tawag niyan? I forgot. 3-week. Basta, after 3 weeks, I will be announcing the winner. So that will be on January 13. January 13, I will be announcing the winner on January 13. So yeah, I cannot wait to announce the winner. Yes, I cannot. So I think that's all it, and it's very simple, I believe. And if you are a little still confused on the mechanics, I will just have all the details on the description box and you could read it. So yeah, so I think I covered everything already, and I hope you all join, guys. Sali na kayo, please. Sali na kayo, di ba? Para bongga, marami tayo. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you are excited to win the giveaway and to join the giveaway, like how excited I am today. So thank you so much once again, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!